I can't. Fuck you. God damn.
Dang, you black on white Oreo ass nigga. Hey, hey, hey!
Bitch got a big booty, who I like that.
Jay Gillenwater.
It's a graduate. It's a graduate. It's a graduate.
You see a new setup, you did.
I wash shit. Took that bitch, I find it bitches, so I get. I'm only for the new bitch, can't find again. Bag of bull straight to the booth, let's get it. I flip a.
Hey yo, is this what niggas be calling that golden hour, dog? Is this it? I don't think this it. It's too fucking bright outside. Yeah! 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 Oh shit, Carter Whippet!
Want them to watch it at all?
Yeah, the cozy way, you feel me? The cozy way. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah! I need a fat bitch. Fat bitch gonna eat dick. Fat bitch gonna eat it. Bust down on it. Bust down. Hey, bend that shit up. Hey, make that shit clap for the date. Hey. That boy's slow.
What the fuck were we just talking about?
You think he say cha-ching?
Oh, we making chipmunk noises, nigga?
Yeah. All that ass. Hey, yo, G's. Can't ride they beat. Can't rock those skins. Long hair, she don't care. She wants to get. You feel me? You dig? Your fucking birthday. Yeah, happy birthday, nigga. Happy birthday. Oh, shit. Happy birthday, your ugly ass. What's your problem?
I'm really about to lose my religion right now.
What you mean? He robbed me. Stop. Get my shit. Stop.
Yeah, drawing on my pants cause I can't. And I love fans and bands in my pants.
Y'all thought you were rapper? Nah.
I thought you wouldn't.
I thought you were about to say my planet.
I see, said the blind man.
Okay, you know what? I don't really have control of what I'm saying.
Hello? 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 Yeah.
Before I said,
Shit, it's not that bad, right?
You did it. You did it.
Come over here.
And here we go.
Yo, son.
Congratulations, Steve. You have just won a free double-double courtesy of In-N-Out Burger.
You already know. This motherfucking sunlight, my nigga. Don't get it fucked up.
Hey, don't get it. Hey, don't get it. Don't get it.
Nigga, Carter, where you at? This nigga in the dark.
Hey, who dipping?
Hey,
Hey, you feel me?
I dig it down in one night. Hey, gonna dig like a bite, the double of my grace.
If you in my
What the fuck do you want? Hello? Stop calling my phone. Hello? Hey. What the fuck do you want, bitch? Hey. What the fuck do you want, bitch? Hey.
Amir. I can't take no pictures outside because I forgot. But you know what I can do? I can sit here in front of this mirror and show you what I'm rock. I should have just said God. That would have sounded way better. But yeah, you see me. 2 earrings, you feel me? Both bust down diamond pieces, you dig? Yeah. And on the right side, you already know. Now my ear got company, you feel me? Fucking Millie on my ear, nigga.
Can we smack this on your battery or what?
Sure, go ahead. Yeah, nigga, you already know what the fuck going on, man. You know, fucking famous worldwide, nigga. Fuck with a nigga. Aww, you did that. Look at this. He cute. He cute.
Do a little share highlight.
Oh, look at the boots. Look at the.
No one can see my camera.
Oh my god. Oh. This is what he does in his spare time. He wishes he could be white. Ah. It's raining and shit, you dig? Hey, in the rain. In the. Yeah. Hey, dog. Bro, this nigga looking icy. Bro, stop playing with my nigga, dog. Stop playing. Stop playing.
Somebody.
This nigga drinking. Hey, yo, Chad. Tweet.
Man, like, you really be there.
Tweet. Yo, what the fuck? Tweet.
Man, you sound like a bird, bro.
Tweet.
That follow my spam. These bomb ass.
You want a nigga that's gon' beat it up. You like a nigga that's gon' eat it up. You ain't let your life, nigga, he want G enough. I know.